I'm joined here by Rodrigo. Rodrigo, in Cognos 12, the assistant has more of an upfront role. Can you help me understand what that means?
Hi, Bill. Thanks for asking. We are really excited about this new release because we truly believe that to offer a self-service experience, we also need to offer a powerful AI assistant. It can save our users time. It can support them in challenge tasks that maybe they are not so familiar, especially when they are not familiar with business analytics. So we are investing a lot in our AI assistant. We really believe in a zero learning curve. So you can see in this 12.0 release that it can be launched anywhere. So you have a new UI, you have a new experience. You can use the assistant from the homepage of the product by using a bar to ask a question or to call the assistant by AI icon. You have now the option to use the assistant in a full screen mode or also in the side panel as before. You also have the possibility to see a completely guided experience. So you have a get started. As soon as you launch the assistant, you have a get started. You have suggestions of questions, so you can have some suggestions about what you can do in the assistant. You have questions that you can make. You can create a dashboard. You can ask for help how to use the assistant. So you can see here, I click in suggest questions. You have some options of examples of questions that can be made. So the idea is to really guide our users. When you click in the bar to type a question, you can see that we are also suggesting what you are typing next, for example. So I will just make, as an example here, what is impacting my sales, what is impacting my business. And you can see that the assistant will analyze all the factors that are impacting my result, my target field, and will bring a list for me. If I click in one of them, the assistant will generate a visualization to explain this item that I choose with insights. So it's really easy. It's really intuitive. I can ask any kind of question. So like show my top five products in sales last Christmas, and the assistant will bring a visualization to be easier to see, to visualize what I'm asking for. I can share it by email, by Slack, by Microsoft Teams also. And it's really easy. It's really easy. It's really intuitive. That's the real idea. I'll try another one. How was my sales performance in California? And you can see that it also understands time entities. So I will use last year by product. And you can see that the assistant will bring as a result and visualization and also some insights explaining the result, not just the answer, but explanation about the result. And I can click and add to a dashboard, and this visualization will generate a new dashboard. So it's really easy to also create a dashboard using the assistant. So it's really, really, really easy. I will call again my assistant here, and I will make a new type of question that is supported in 12.0. Compare sales between Florida and California, and I will add last year. You can see that now this kind of question is also supported. So we are comparing here California and Florida. We are also automated generating a visualization, and we have some insights explaining this difference, explaining this comparative. I can change the kind of chart that was generated really easy with just one click. And something that is also really prominent is what data source we are using. So I can also change this data source just clicking select here. I will choose another data source here, and you can see that it's really easy to change the data source that is being used by the assistant. So for this new data source, I don't know, so I will ask for suggestions, suggest questions. You can see that the assistant will generate some of suggestions. I will click in one of the suggestions, and the assistant will generate the answer and the visualization to explain this answer, to support my explanation. So the experience is completely new and completely guided. The idea is really to be to offer a guided experience, to offer support for that users that maybe don't want to have a completely report or dashboard. Maybe a user can just ask something to the assistant and have a quick and straightforward answer. And as I said before, it's one step to really achieve our completely self-serve experience. This is what we are aiming, and this is what we are investing at this moment in the assistant.